Hello guys, I'm here today. We are playing the Emoji Factory. I buy the three droppers so I can save some money. Okay, I buy two of these. Let's see if I can go steal his stuff. Okay, let's go. Let's steal his stuff. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. A bow and a thingy. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm coming in. Okay guys, comment down below what other Roblox games can I play. Okay, let's play this wall, this other wall, and I think, no, I cannot afford that. Okay, some more walls. Okay, I have 1,000, that's enough. Okay, I have 0 right now, 15. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's wreck someone. Okay. Oh, I'm wrecking him. I'm about to go inside. No, yeah, I killed him, guys. Woo. Okay, let's go up here. Teleport down this base. Okay. He decides to fight me. Kill you. Okay, he teleported. Okay. Okay. Let's kill him. Whoa. Hey, where you going, bruh? Where you going? I'm gonna wreck you. Okay. Let's go wreck him. Let's wreck this guy. Wait, wreck him. Okay, let's go get the scooter. Go. Okay. Okay. Let's go see your stuff. It's over there. Okay, let's save that guest. Okay. Oh no! He wrecked me, guys! Oh no! He wrecked me. No. At least we have 4,000 K. Okay, emoji dropper coming in. Okay. Okay, no, I don't have money anymore. So guys, I think I'll wait for. Okay, guys, I think I'll wait for money and fight some noobs. So see ya. Okay, let's go. Okay. Sorry for the audio. A bit thingy. Oh no, I buy that accidentally. I accidentally buy that. Let's go for K. Buy hello emoji. Hello? It's like a hello. Oh my. Oh. Okay. Okay, look at our money. Okay. Okay, let's go. 3,500 for the Halo upgrade. Okay. Sorry again guys for the audio. I don't want to buy. Okay, let's go. More money racking up. Okay. We can upgrade this guy. Oh, double. Okay. Okay. No, please don't kill me. Okay. I just teamed up with a guest. Guess it's okay. By the final walls. What the heck? Oh! Okay guys. Okay, owner only door. Here we come. Okay. Racking up some money here. Racking up some money. Okay, final walls. No lights. I don't really like lights. It hurts my eyes a bit. Let's go. Okay. Okay. By angry emoji. I think it's gone, guys. He's keeping on killing me. Even if I team up. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Hey, guys. I see this angry emoji. $6,000. That's very expensive. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, another angry emoji. So, see you. I'll be killing some noobs and making money. Okay, guys, I made a lot of money. So, let's buy some more emojis. Okay. Let's buy all of the emojis here 2 times. By crying laughter emoji. God, this is very expensive. Okay. Okay, guys, sorry for the lag. Okay. Okay, some 6,000 coins. Okay, I'll be back, guys.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye guys. Comment down below what should I play in Roblox.
Yeah.
Subscribe and like. See ya.